I'm up next with this month's Delta box, y'all. I am super excited about this because I've seen and I know what it is. But let's see what I'm going to do with my box. So let's open it up. Now I heard that this size box, I don't think it's been shipped before. So that's a nice different box. All right, let's see how to open this. Rip that on off. Gotta button myself back up. And let's see. All right. This is that box. I think I might put the back of the box. And that's how it looks. You get a little bit more tissue paper this go around. And maybe not. I thought I did, but no, not really. So, of course, this is this month's theme for August 2026. Next move, best move. And included in this box is the Delta duffel bag, the Delta pyramid bag tag, and monogram stickers. What I have been curious about, this is that, and these are the stickers, and I've wanted to see how the stickers would flow. I wanted to know what's the suggestion of the stickers. All right, according to the card, it just stated that you'll be completing the look of the two items with the Delta monogram stickers, which allows you to customize your everyday essentials. So, I want to start there with the stickers because I didn't really see anyone open their thing up with the stickers. But I want to see just how they feel, and I like how they look, how the letters look. And where would I put the letters on the tag? That I have been curious about, because it's nothing that you open up. It's just the tag with the pyramid. I thought maybe it was a name tag of some sort. And it has a buckle. I don't really come across the adjustable buckle here. So anytime I see something like this, I have to put it on the lowest knot. So yeah, so it can hang kind of low. That's how it is. Let's get into this bag. Wow, I needed this for the Southern Regional Conference. This is a nice wide bag. It comes in its own dust bag, thin dust bag. Oh, it feels nice. It's nice and soft. Wow, to pair it with the crossbody that we got earlier this year, nice. I really want to stuff this bag. So, let's try to find some things to put in it. Alright, before I stuff the bag, this bag comes on the front wall. You have two slot compartments. They're kind of deep. They have this trimming, this leather style trim at the top. And then on the back wall of the bag, you have a wide zipper compartment. Nice wide zipper compartment. I'm trying to look at the zipper. Let's see what it looks like. Alright. You have two rolled handles. So you have the rolled handles. You have the 13, which is embroidered here on the bag. Then you have, of course, Delta. And then you have the stripe. There is a front compartment. Didn't know it was a pocket there. Front compartment, and it comes with the canvas style woven maybe strap. Interesting. All right, so I stuffed the bag. I put a sweater and a pillow in here because I really wanted to see what this bag looked like stuff. Let's see. Where would this go? This will just, I'm not really sure, but we'll figure out what this is all about. I got to figure that out. I'm not sure where on the bag it could possibly go aside from each other. But let me fix that. All right, so I put everything on. I put my stickers here. And you can see how that looks. I probably need to press down a little bit more, but they're there. And this is how the bag looks. And when you connect the side part here, this is how you can cinch the bag to really give that duffel appeal. Or you could just leave it open and just maybe close it and just kind of have it flapping. I don't know, but that's how it looks. Think about this bag, because I love doing it in Burke. It doesn't come with feet, but there's this little reinforced bottom that is here, and the strap is adjustable, so you can carry it on your shoulder, or if you don't really have a lot packed in there, and this is as far as it will go on the side, to maybe give you a crossbody in the carry. I like it nonetheless. I love the fact that you can really pack a lot in here, and it's very light for what I have in here. So maybe you want to do a toiletry bag or a quick little overnight. It's better not to bog it down with too much, but hey, when people see this is nice. It's really, really nice. I love that. And I love the fact that I can actually put some more letters, maybe spell out some things. Wish it had some numbers on it, but maybe I can find some numbers. And that's how that looks. Wow. Have you gotten your Delta box for August? Let me know how you like it.